back for one last video for the day. So I'm gonna stick to the 10 by 20 canvas. I've been doing paintings all day today, so I think this is my fourth one today. So I'm gonna do a Dutch pour on a 10 by 20 using the colors phthalo blue, copper, brilliant blue by Liquitex Basics, and the copper is Artist Loft. Phthalo blue is Academy. Phthalo green, and should I keep this one in? This is the metallic cobalt blue, but I think I'm gonna swap it. Instead, I'm gonna use the iridescent blue green by Pebeo Studio Acrylics, I think. They're pretty similar. Actually, they're not that bad. Should be all right. Unless I choose ultramarine blue. How about that? I'm so indecisive. It's so ridiculous. Or maybe I just don't put a fifth color and I keep it at 4. What if I just do 4? Oh, such a mess. There, what if I just do 4 and see what happens? Yeah, I'll just leave it at 4. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it at the 4 colors. All right, so let's start by flooding the canvas. I've been busy today doing a bunch of videos. So when I find time, I like to just get all my stuff together and do a bunch of paintings, because it's easier to do a bunch in one day than set up every day and do one at a time. So this is easier for me. Mr. Juno is sleeping in his crate. My daughter is up in bed, and my son is having a sleepover at grandma's. So let's see here. All right, my top is covered. Let's get the edges covered. It's been a really, really beautiful day, finally, for a change. It was 20 degrees here today, which was great considering the other day it was like 6 in the morning. I took Juno for a walk at 6 a.m. because that's what time he likes to wake up. And it was freezing. Like I'm not joking, guys. I had my fall coat on, and I had a toque and gloves. It was just insane. So yeah, that's Canada for you. That's what happens. The weather, Mother Nature, doesn't like us very much. So yeah, it was really cold that day, that morning. And yesterday was a day full of rain, and today was a beautiful day. So I was very happy about that. All right, we are covered. Let's pop these bubbles. All right, there we go. So I am going to do a pretty big puddle, pretty much in the center, and then I'll blow it, and then we'll see what happens. So yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna do. Actually, I'll do it here, not so much in the middle. So we'll start with blue, and then we will do copper, brilliant blue, and finally phthalo green. And we will will see what happens with these colors and that big puddle. All right, so I might as well use this. I know I usually use my squeeze bottles, but at this rate, might as well use this. All right. Let's pop those bubbles. All right. So let's see what happens, guys. All right, I'm gonna blow it back out. All right, what I was trying to do was get to the other end, but I didn't have enough to get there. So, but there's a big puddle right here. So let's see what happens. All right, that worked. However, it's all green. So that's not looking very good. Not liking that. So this part looks pretty cool. That part, not so much. So there's a lot of green. So I'm going to put some blue and a little bit of the copper and the light blue and should I scrape that? That might not even be enough to make it to the end. Trial and error, my friends. That is what it's all about, really. I should have made a bigger puddle. All right, so do I scrape that? I think I should, because then it's just gonna make a big mess. So let's go like that. And like that. And then add white. A lot of white. Good God. Way too much white. Holy cow, Kanella. All right. And then what a mess. This side looks so good. What the hell happened on that side, man? All right. Let's do this. Well, that's better. Well, there you go. Well, that's much better. All the copper's in here. And then there's a little bit here. Let's see, can I reach over without? My big head in the camera. I like the way that turned out. Now I just wish I could have kept this more of the negative white here, because I like it's all here and here, but over here it kind of all fell off to the edge. Off the edge, I mean. But oh my gosh, this here, I'll bring you in for a close-up. This is amazing, this part. Let's see here. Did my hand touch it? I did. Where did I touch it? Where? I can't even see where. I touched it somewhere. Oh, here, down here. Whew! That would have sucked. Alright, I guess I have no choice but to blow it over the edge. So I'm wondering if I should just blow, excuse me, this part over the edge, just this part. And then that way they match. Because it'll go out like that. Maybe I'll just blow this part. Like that. I guess it would have helped if they were even. Jesus, Murphy. There we go. There we go. At this point, I might as well blow it all off and then just leave it down here like this. Yeah, because it's all up here too, so I like the way it just starts down here and goes open, open, and then opens up. I actually like that. I just hope it dries like that though. I hope this doesn't end up falling off the side, so that would really suck. All right. There. Perfect. Oh, that's perfect because the white starts here and here. And this corner here is white. Oh, this is perfect. This worked out perfectly. There. I love it. It's perfect. That's so cool. All right, where's my torch? I'm so glad I ended up scraping that and doing that again. That's awesome. That's really cool. Now, if only this can stay. If this can stay, that'll be so perfect. I just hope it does not run off the edges. So I will scrape the bottom and catch any of those drips. That'll help it so that it doesn't drip off the edge. And actually, it's looking pretty good because I don't have it loaded with paint over here. So that's pretty good. All right. Oh, I'm really happy with this one. This one turned out really good. I need white. A little bit of white. Make sure all the edges are covered. This side looks good. This side's looking pretty good. All right, I'll figure out the rest. There's a bubble here. There we go. And what is in there? Whatever it was, it's gone. All right, I'll bring you in for a close-up and then I'll worry about the edges off camera. But I love the way this turned out. I just really hope that it does not move and that it really just dries like this. All right, let's show you what I've got here. All right, so there it is. You can see most of the copper ended up over here. Look, I've got my big head in the way and the camera shadow in the way. That's ridiculous. I'm trying to give you guys a close-up. That is not working with this camera angle. Sorry, guys. Let's see. Oh, how about that? You might be sideways now, though, but at least you get a better view. All right, I guess that's as good as it's gonna get with these silly pot lights in the kitchen. There we go. How about that? That look good? All right, there it is, guys. What do you think? I like it. I think it's pretty cool. I've never done anything like this before. All right, let's put that there. Make sure it doesn't fall. Okay, guys, there it is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I always love reading what you guys have to say. And give it a thumbs up if you like it. You guys know the drill. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Don't you just love my new bell? I told you I would buy one, and I did. I got it off Amazon. And all my links are below, guys. Instagram, Facebook, and of course the PayPal link for anyone who wishes to donate or tip and help me buy materials and paints and canvases and all this fun stuff so that I can keep doing things like this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys are having a lovely evening or day or whatever time it is that you're watching this. And I will be back with another video all in due time. Much love. Thanks, guys. Bye.